Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Octopus Jamaican style. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Begin by carefully cleaning the octopus. You'll want to remove the hard beak located at the center of its tentacles, along with the eyes and any ink sac. After these parts are removed, give the octopus a good rinse under cold, running water to ensure it's completely clean. Finally, pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels, making it ready for the next crucial step. Now, let's talk about tenderizing, which is key for a delicious octopus. You can boil the octopus in salted water for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until it's fork tender. For a quicker method, a pressure cooker will get the job done in 20 to 25 minutes. A traditional tip many chefs swear by is adding a wine cork to the boiling water. It's believed to help achieve that perfect tenderness. Choose the method that best suits your kitchen. Next, we infuse our octopus with vibrant Jamaican flavors. Create a robust marinade using essential ingredients like a Scotch bonnet pepper for heat, fresh thyme, pimento berries, and chopped scallions. You can finely chop these or blend them into a fragrant paste. Once your octopus is tender, generously coat it with this marinade. For the best results, let it marinate for at least 2 hours, but ideally, allow it to sit overnight in the refrigerator to truly absorb all those wonderful spices. Finally, it's time to cook and serve your amazing Jamaican-style octopus. Heat a pan with a little oil and sauté the marinated octopus until it's slightly caramelized and wonderfully fragrant. For a richer dish, you can add a splash of creamy coconut milk or a hearty tomato-based sauce to create a delicious stew. Serve this flavorful octopus alongside traditional Jamaican accompaniments like fluffy rice and peas, sweet festival dumplings, or perfectly roasted breadfruit for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.